cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hennepin County, Northern Dakota County, South Central Chisago County, Anoka County, Washington County, Ramsey County, until 7 a.m. At 6:25 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Brooklyn Park, or 12 miles northwest of Minneapolis, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Minneapolis, Brooklyn Center, Fridley, and Spring Lake Park around 6:30 a.m. Shoreview, New Brighton, Columbia Heights, and Mounds View around 6:35 a.m. Roseville and Arden Hills around 6:40 a.m. St. Paul, Maplewood, and Vadnais Heights around 6:45 a.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Oakdale, White Bear Lake, Matamidi, Woodbury, Lake Elmo, Stillwater, Hudson, Bayport, and Afton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.